Feeling a bit like your nerves have been run through a blender? Whether it's due to an injury, a health condition, or just the wear and tear of everyday life, nerve damage can be a real pain in the, well, everywhere. Luckily, nature has gifted us with some fantastic vitamins that can help repair and restore nerve function. Buckle up and get ready to learn about the 7 incredible vitamins that can give your nerves the TLC they deserve. 1. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining healthy nerve cells and creating the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves. A deficiency in B12 can lead to nerve damage and neuropathy. This powerhouse vitamin also helps in the production of DNA and red blood cells, ensuring that your nerves get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Sources: meat, fish, dairy products, fortified cereals, and supplements. Pro tip: if you're vegan or vegetarian, consider a B12 supplement to ensure you're getting enough. 2. Vitamin B6, the balancer. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in brain development and function, as well as in keeping the nervous system and immune system healthy. It helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals in the brain, making it vital for nerve communication. Sources: poultry, fish, potatoes, chickpeas, bananas, and fortified cereals. Pro tip: aim for a balanced intake, as too much B6 can cause nerve damage, while too little can lead to deficiencies. 3. Vitamin B1. Thiamine, the energizer. Thiamine is essential for nerve function and energy metabolism. It helps convert nutrients into energy, which is crucial for nerve cells to function properly. A deficiency in B1 can lead to nerve damage and conditions such as beriberi. Sources: whole grains, meat, fish, and legumes. Pro tip: add whole grains like brown rice and oatmeal to your diet to boost your B1 intake. 4. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is not only important for bone health, but also plays a role in nerve health. It helps regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation, which can benefit those with nerve damage. A deficiency in vitamin D is linked to increased pain and impaired nerve function. Sources: sunlight, fatty fish, fortified milk and cereals, and supplements. Pro tip: spend a few minutes in the sun each day or take a supplement, especially in the winter months, or if you have limited sun exposure. 5. Vitamin E, the antioxidant. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also supports immune function and skin health. Ensuring you get enough vitamin E can help maintain healthy nerves and prevent further damage. Sources: nuts, seeds, spinach, and broccoli. Pro tip: snack on a handful of almonds or sunflower seeds for a healthy dose of vitamin E. 6. Vitamin B9, folate, the DNA builder. Folate, or vitamin B9, is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, making it crucial for the growth and repair of nerve cells. It also helps in the production of neurotransmitters and supports overall brain health. Sources: leafy green vegetables, citrus fruits, beans, and fortified cereals. Pro tip: add spinach, kale, and other leafy greens to your meals for a folate boost. 7. Vitamin C, the immune booster. Vitamin C is well known for its role in boosting the immune system, but it also plays a role in nerve health. It helps produce collagen, a protein that supports nerve structure and acts as an antioxidant, protecting nerves from damage. Sources: citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Pro tip: include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet to ensure you're getting enough vitamin C. There you have it, 7 incredible vitamins to help repair and rejuvenate your nerves. Incorporate these vitamins into your diet, and you'll be on your way to better nerve health and function. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Your nerves will thank you, and so will we. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep those nerves in tip-top shape.